rush right now. I feel like I'm always wearing this shirt in a vlog or in my videos. It's just so comfy. It's an easy one to throw on. But we are hurrying to go to Hayden's daycare because they told us we had to be there a half hour earlier than what we usually are there, like 20 minutes ago. So we woke up really quickly and got ready. They're doing an Easter egg hunt today, and so they said they're gonna do it at 9 o'clock, so we had to be there at 8:45. Usually we don't have to be there until 9:15. So we were chilling in bed, relaxing. So, all right, you guys. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a couple weeks. I have a bunch to do today, like on my to-do list, so I figured it would be like a more, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I would have a lot of things to vlog, basically. I have to do a lot of cleaning, I'll have to do a lot of filming. Hayden's gonna do an Easter egg hunt, so I figured I would film that. So we're on our way to do that. Are you excited, Hayden? Yeah, she's sleepy. We were both snoozing. My nose was running last night, so I think I'm getting a little sick or something. I woke up with like some crusties in my nose. It was nasty. TMI, but it's fine. Alright. Thankfully, we only live literally 4 minutes away from, I don't even think it's 4 minutes. It's like 2 minutes from the from the daycare. Yep, they're setting them out right now. Alright. Cool. Alright, guys. Well, I'm probably going to insert some clips of the Easter egg hunt, and then I will catch you guys later. Mommy! Oh, that's a cute one. Hey guys, so, oh my goodness, why is it so off? Let me fix that real quick. I just got home from Hayden's daycare. That's good enough. First things first, in the morning I like to just get my water ready so I don't have any excuses not to drink it. So I have this, it is a 50.7 ounce bottle. Got these from Dollar General for 70 cents. I haven't picked up new ones, so I've just been taking 3 water bottles and putting them in here. It fits 3 exactly, so I was putting one in there already, and then I forgot that I was filming today, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do that really quickly. Throw that on the ground. Now I'm gonna make my iced coffee. This is a new thing, so I'm excited to show you guys. It's super good. I finally found, hold on, let me just, hold on. I'll wipe this water up. Whew. Okay. All right. So I finally found at Walmart. Let me show you. These. I have not been able to find like caramel, like protein shakes or like the Premier Protein or anything. I've not been able to find caramel before, but I was at Walmart and I've only looked up Meyer and like Needlers, so it's not like I was looking everywhere, but I was at Walmart getting a couple makeup products for my clients, and I found this, so I picked them up, and I've been wanting to do like the iced coffee with this as the creamer to make it like a caramel iced coffee basically, and it is so good, like so good. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Okay, while that's brewing right now, I'm just gonna show you, I just used this donut shop blend. It's kind of just an off-brand. I found this at Dollar General. And then you're gonna just take a smaller mug. I usually use like a mug that's like twice the size of this. You wanna use for iced coffee, since you're gonna put like a bunch of ice in it, it's gonna dilute it, the strength of it. You wanna use half the amount of water that you typically use when you're just drinking hot coffee. So let me go make that real quick. Wow, that is brewing. I'm just gonna fill up this cup with ice all the way up. Okay, so literally all the way up with ice, and that's brewing. My liquid stevia. Oh, this coffee smells so good. All right, that's all finished. So it just makes, you can see, and this is a really small cup. All right, so I just lowered you guys down so you guys can see everything. So I'm going to pour this in here and probably make a mess. I always make a mess. Yep, I don't understand how I always spill it. Like, I can never pour coffee into something and not spill. Okay. So now that is, and it's, you know, melted a lot of the ice. And then I'm going to take some of this, and I don't use all of it. I just put a little bit in there. Not like a little bit, but I'll just show you how much I put in there. You want to make sure you shake these. It says just shake it. And these are the Atkins Cafe Caramel Protein Rich Shake. And this whole bottle has 160 calories in it. And it only has 3 grams of carbs. Well, technically 2 grams of carbs because of the dietary fiber. And 10 grams of fat. And 15 grams of protein. So it's a really, really good drink, and it tastes so good, like so good. So I'll just put this in here. About that much. So I can usually make like 3 drinks with this. 3 or 4 drinks, yeah. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of stevia. This is my liquid stevia. If you don't have this, you need to get it. 0 calories, just a little bit, just to add a little bit of sweetness. And put that in there, just stir it up. And then I'm just gonna put my lid on it. And 1 second. Then I got a straw. Let me lift you guys. All right, so straw is in. Taste test. So good. So good. If you don't like the protein, I actually put a little bit too much of this in it because it's kind of too protein tasty. Not protein tasty, but like you can tell that it's like this. I definitely like the coffee taste better, just like more coffee than caramel, but so I'll probably put a little bit less next time. But if you like the super sweet taste, you'll really like this. But yeah, I've tried the mocha, and I just didn't really like it. I'm just not a fan of like shakes and stuff, so I was excited to just try it in an iced coffee form. So this is what I'll drink probably till like 2 or 3 until I want to eat real food. So technically this does like break my fast, but as you know, if you follow my channel, I don't count like my coffee as breaking my fast because I discount like eating real food. Yeah, so basically I'll have my water and my coffee, and this is all I will have until about 2 or 3. It is 9:47 right now, so now I need to clean up. I've got to unload the dishwasher, load it back up, take out the trash, wipe down these counters. I want to steam mop these floors. I've never used a steam mop. I literally bought it for my husband because he's obsessed with washing the floors. Like, he loves it. So do you, boo, because I don't. But they need done. He hasn't done them in a while. So I'm going to attempt to use the steam mop that I bought him. I don't know why I'm so like uneducated about it, but it's fine. It's fine. We will see if I can get it handled or not. So if you want to see me do a cleaning montage, then just keep on watching. Go on, potty? Good boy. I could literally sit out here for hours. Okay, right now I am taking all the chairs that are here and putting them in Hayden's room and the hallway so that I can mop these floors. Okay, I'm like sweeping the floors right now. Does anybody else use their vacuum to sweep their tile floor because they want to get a broom out? Because same. So the steam mop is getting ready. I just had to call John, ask him what I should do or how to do it. So thanks, babe. My plan was to get the kitchen and the living room all finished, and then be in my bedroom doing the laundry for a while because it has to dry. So. He's always just wanting to sleep. Huh? Yes, you mama's boy. He's like, get off of me. Okay, guys, so don't mind my crazy hair and my appearance right now. I have been hard at work. I haven't put this on Instagram because my husband watches my Instagram and he's gonna get home. He's gonna be mad. But it's okay. It's okay. So I didn't even get my laundry done at all yet today. It is 6 o'clock right now. So I started cleaning the floors like I last showed you, mopping them, steam mopping them and stuff. And so I started moving the couches around just a little bit because I want to get behind them and clean them. And I've been wanting to rearrange the couches, but my husband was like, no, because our cable only connects to one side of the wall. So my dad was telling me how I can like go in the crawl space and reconnect it and drill a hole through the wall on the other side to make it work how I want it to work. And I did that. I took pictures of me in like every stage of what I was doing because it was just so like crazy. I don't know, but it looks amazing now and I got it hooked up. Like I went and bought an extender and everything. Like I was like freaking a cable guy, a Bob the Builder today. I was up on the roof in the crawl space. Hi. It's not on you right now, baby. So yeah, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now because that's what I've been doing for the last like 4 to 5 hours. So now. This is coming from the kitchen. Guys, I'm so excited. It looks so good.
Hi, Mommy, I did this room edition all day.
So I've been wanting the sectional to face this way and this to be the main wall, but we only had a cable coming from there. So I switched the cable. I took it above the roof and basically like put it through the garage, and then I went in the crawl space and drilled a hole so that it's right behind there now so that it could hook up. And I got the cable hooked up and the internet all hooked up and it all works. And yeah, I'm so excited because I've been wanting my living room to look like this since we got the sectional, because I hated like sitting over here and having to look all the way over here and it just like strained my eyes. I don't know, I just didn't really like it. And so I switched the sign, as you can see, that's over there now. I'm so excited, like seriously. I almost want to like put the camera up to film his reaction because he's gonna be mad, but we'll see. I probably won't. He'll probably really be mad, but he'll be mad because he'll think that I didn't get the cable set up because he thought he was gonna have to be the one to do all that and he just didn't want to. And he thought like the sectionals over here would not be like, wouldn't look the best, but he's gonna like it. Once he realizes that I got it all fixed up, he's gonna be like, how did you do that? So I have not even done any laundry, but I got a lot of house cleaning done, but I didn't get like any of the YouTube stuff that I want to get done. Yeah, so this vlog might be, I don't know. I'm about to go to my Bible study in just a little bit, about a half hour. John should be home literally like any minute now. He said it would be by like 6 or 6:30. So my Bible study starts at 6:30. So yeah, we'll see. I might. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I went to bed and completely forgot that I didn't end the video. So excuse me. I just got out of the shower. I self-tanned. Our church does an Easter drama performance Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'm in it, and I don't want to look super pasty, so I needed to self-tan. I was planning on doing it yesterday so that I could sleep in it and then wash it off in the morning, but my first performance is today, so I did it early this morning, and I'm going to have to, like, shower it off before I go to church. But anyway, that was my daily vlog. I'm about to actually do some laundry now, but I figured I would just end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't already. Let me take this off because I'm tired of this glare. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning into today's video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I noticed that you guys really like to watch my like daily vlogs, which is super exciting because that's really fun for me to do, is just share and, you know, bring you along my day. If you do like to see what I do on a daily basis, then definitely follow me on Instagram because I'm super active on my story there. I'm always showing you what I'm doing that day, what meals I'm eating, like what I'm doing cleaning wise with Hayden, with my husband, all that stuff. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of my life, definitely follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy and have a great weekend. Have a happy Easter, and I will see you guys later. Bye.